In this video, we'll use the substitution method to solve a system of equations and find the value of x minus y. Here's the system we're working with. Equation 1, 3x plus 6y equals 33. Equation 2, 9x minus y equals 8. The substitution method involves solving one equation for one variable, then plugging that expression into the other equation. Let's start by solving equation 1 for x. To do that, we divide everything by 3. 3x plus 6y equals 33 becomes x plus 2y equals 11. Now subtract 2y from both sides to isolate x. X equals 11 minus 2y. Now that we know what x equals, we substitute 11 minus 2y into equation 2 in place of x. Equation 2 becomes 9 times 11 minus 2y minus y equals 8. Distribute the 9. 99 minus 18y minus y equals 8. Now combine like terms. 99 minus 19y equals 8. Subtract 99 from both sides. Negative 19y equals negative 91. Now divide both sides by negative 19. Y equals 91 over 19. Now we'll plug this value of y back into our expression for x. X equals 11 minus 2y. X equals 11 minus 2 times 91 over 19. Multiply x equals 11 minus 182 over 19. To subtract, we rewrite 11 as 209 over 19. X equals 209 over 19 minus 182 over 19. X equals 27 over 19. Now that we know x and y, we can solve for x minus y. X minus y equals 27 over 19 minus 91 over 19. Which is negative 64 over 19. So the value of x minus y is negative 64 over 19. Ready to crush the ACT? Achievable includes everything you need to get a top score. With Achievable, you get a personalized AI-driven study plan, short, engaging lessons, and realistic practice questions that adapt to your progress. It's everything you need, streamlined, effective, and adapts to your needs. Tens of thousands of people have trusted Achievable to boost their scores, and now it's your turn. Start your free trial today at achievable.me. Follow the link below in the description to get started.